welcome back to my channel. So this is day 3 of Cabo and I got sunburned. So yeah, so we're gonna head to the pool and we're gonna go and I'm gonna tan correctly. So that's why I got this bathing suit.
And also we're gonna go on a yacht.
My shoulder's red too. Oh my god.
And your face.
And my face is, I know. Guys, this is not good. Okay, well, anyway, so we're gonna go and we're gonna take y'all with us.
And later
So,
we're
yeah.
gonna go on a yacht, boy.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go on a yacht, so stay tuned for that. So let's go.
Hi, baby birdie.
Hey Mel Gang, so basically we are gonna go into downtown and then what are we gonna do? We're gonna eat and we're gonna shop around for a little bit and then we're gonna go on the yacht.
Like kids food.
Hamburgers? Well, here.
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders, quesadillas, beef tacos, spaghetti with salt, and it's very economical. I'll give you 2 for 1 drinks. Papi, espérate. I'll give you 2
Ya te me asustes.
I'll give you 2 for 1 drinks on beers, margaritas, piña colada.
I think Haley will be fine with chicken tenders.
Yeah.
¿Es el mismo queso o es el-
No, it's different. I'm up here, and I got AC.
Oh, tú eres aquí. Oh,
Sí,
yo
I'm
que yo por
not-
eso decía.
No, and what I do is I'll give you
Okay.
2 for 1 drinks, chips and salsa, guacamole on the house for everybody. On the way out, I'll give you a piece of smoothie after you're done eating.
Vamos, ya me convenció. What happened?
It's like a little white button right there. It takes pictures.
Do you want it this way?
Yeah.
Let me know if I can get you anything. I'll buy it for y'all. No, I'm just kidding. Y'all thought. I don't want to do that.
Screaming, the van a ir hasta allá al cerro.
She will. Is it mental? So I'm gonna get my feet clean.
Actually feels really good.
I'm so scared.
One, baby.
Ah, I'm so scared. Guys, it feels so.
Feel like
It feels like.
Happy New Year's.
The cosquillas. That's a good one. Guys, it feels so weird. It feels like. What does it feel like? Like little things just like tickling you.
Go, Jay, go, Jay. You have to go, you have to go.
I'm gonna attack you.
No, but I can't imagine what this.
Pero debemos de creer, éramos varios. Look at those balls over there.
Wow, those are some big balls. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. This is our yacht. It's pretty big. It could fit about 5 people.
Big compared to that one next to it.
Yeah, this is pretty small, but this is big. This is our yacht, guys.
I love it.
Happy birthday.
Berta.
Hola, ¿cómo están?
Bien, bien.
Qué bueno.
Hola.
There's a second floor. Watermelon drink. No alcohol because I don't drink alcohol.
My hand's gonna fly off.
Yes. Oh no, there's sharks! There's sharks! No, there's no sharks! I believe I can fly. My tongue's like. Yeah, yes, please. Yeah, water.
Water?
Yeah, water. He's jumping off in a minute. I'm jumping, guys. We can't swim here, so we're gonna go to a different location because there's jellyfish in the water. Ew. Sorry. So what? Okay, guys. You're perfect. I can see sand at the bottom. It looks like Spider-Man. Alright guys, I just jumped. It feels so warm and it feels so good. I think I can't really see underneath the water, but it's okay guys.
mira, guacha.
A ver. A ver, ¿dónde está la muñeca? ¿Dónde está la muñeca? Guau.
It's like day 5 or 6, I don't know. And so we're gonna ride camels today. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Y'all have no idea. But yeah, so keep watching and you'll see my little adventure.
Uno.
No, she. What if she has a yellow?
She don't have no draw to.
You want to? He don't have no jaw to.
Ándale.
Partner. Go, Ken.
No, this is my turn.
I skipped him. I skipped you.
No, how do you
Yes.
skip me?
Look. It's at the bottom. I skipped him. Why? It's your turn.
Change the color.
I can't.
I didn't see your card.
I saw
I saw that. Yeah, he has yellow, blue, and I
No.
forgot the other colors.
I just said, I didn't say, I.
¿Para estás grabando para ti?
He's like, what?
Oh, man.
Cabo Adventure.
That means
Sacred ground.
sacred ground.
Welcome everyone, and meet Powder. This is our star here at our kissing booth. He's a 17-year-old boy. He's turning 18 this summer. So if you come back, he will be. So if you stand too close from the camel, you will have his face covered in yours, and also you might poke his eyes. The use of mobile phones, cameras, and gadgets, it's not allowed with a kissing camel. So in order to stay away from
When you're riding the camel, you're in this position. It's a little bit uncomfortable for us, for men. If you already have kids, very good. If you don't, we cannot ensure your future generation.
Arriba, por favor. El píquero arriba.
Ow.
Yeah, you can get closer, no problem.
Wait, where's it at? I don't even see it on my. Oh, right there.
Yeah, you see him moving now?
Oh, para limpiar eso.
Yeah.
Mira, you should have cleaned your spot too.
Champion.
Esa nomás es una probadita. Ya. Más fuerte esta vez. Y ya.
Antonio.
Antonio, so Antonio helped us say some words. Whenever you finish, they say salud and everybody bottoms up.
Okay. I just want to say happy birthday to you, babe, and you know that we love you so much, and I want to thank God for another year of life, and we've really been enjoying this vacation with you, and happy birthday, and
Thank you.
hopefully you enjoy the rest of the day we have over here.
Thank you.
Salud! Ay, ay, ay!
If you guys want to try the worm, I can get it out. You guys want to try?
Yes.
But you need to eat it, not waste it.
He's getting the worm from you guys.
Before we left from Texas, she ate some grasshoppers.
Yeah, they were good.
Oh, yeah.
So much flavor.
You can chew it.
Yeah, chew it because you need to taste it.
Yeah.
It's so squishy.
Yeah, well, it's full of alcohol.
Yeah, we're gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm psyching myself up.
You gotta chew it.
You gotta chew it. You gotta show it to you. Chew it.
One at a time, one at a
You gotta chew it though. Chew. Chew. Let me see your
I'm still crunching it. Like,
I ate the worm.
And very big one.
yeah. That's it for you.
You didn't know it was gonna be bucket.
Mezcal is stronger than tequila. It's a
¿Qué vas a decir tú? What do you say?
No.
Oh, yeah?
Is that how strong it is?
That's good.
Very good, very nice.
Yes.
Oh my.
I think
What's wrong with Damiana? What's inside Damiana?
Pregos.
What?
She drank too much last night.
I don't know.
No, but what you said?
Pregos. It's pregnant.
Yeah, she's pregnant, right? So this special drink, this is what pregnant women drink in Mexico, right?
Nice.
No.
Last round, sadly.
Yeah.
Okay.
I really know that.
Yeah.
I'm the mom. Keep pouring. This is the caso. Okay, yeah. I'll be super mom.
birthday too.
Yeah.
Yeah, dímelo.
Llenito para que se suelte.
Thank you.
Ready?
Oh, so good. We're leaving, guys. I'm so sad. But we're not leaving Cabo. We're not leaving Cabo. So.
2, 3.
Viva Mexico!